Enterprise, the Borg have entered Federation space. Intercept immediately. After the IG hour. Course laid in set.
Hello and welcome to FreeTechTV. Today what we have for you guys is kind of a fun video here. We are going to take a look inside the pinball machine right behind me. Star Trek. So this is just going to be a fun video, guys, for you to see what's inside these pinball machines, how everything works, and even stay inside the machine while it's playing. So let's get into it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button. More videos coming to you guys every week. And on that note, let's start the video.
Sir, a strange object is dead ahead. On screen. Magnify space. The final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
So inside here, you have a whole lot going on. A bunch of different motors, hundreds and hundreds of wires, a bunch of lights, the launcher for the pinball, which is connected to this trigger mechanism.
Congratulations, Lieutenant Commander. Bonjour, mon capitaine. Q, what are you doing here? Let's play a little game. Q, we don't have time for your games. Had you propelled the ball on the proper trajectory, you would have been rewarded.
I'm sensing you want to continue.
That has been a look inside the Star Trek pinball machine and kind of what goes on during gameplay. Lots of mechanisms, lots of little motors that keep the ball buzzing around there. If you like this video, again, make sure to subscribe. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you guys all in the next video.
Sensors are picking up a